Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in order to have proper security at your home, especially it's very important that you secure your furnace room or like your appliances, major appliances. Okay, so some of the safety measures you should always do, like first of all you should have professional installation, but some safety devices too, like this one. So when I legalized my basement as per the recommendation by the city, I had to get this done. What it does is, you see, it is connected to my furnace. So in case there's a problem here in the furnace, like fire or something, this device is going to turn it out, because furnace is something that blows air through the duct to your whole house. So if this furnace gets down, okay, and it does not blow air, that will reduce the speed of fire spread, no doubt. Okay, now some additional third party measurements I have done, like I have a smoke say detector here, and this is like third party. So if anything goes here, this is going to notify the third party station, third party monitoring. Similarly, I have water sensor also here. You see this thin wire, this is third party sensor. So if it detects wire, it's gonna it's gonna give the alarm to the third party monitoring station about this water leak. So with this it looks good. Now one more thing I have a plan to install, that is I'm gonna install gas detector, natural gas detector. So even if there's slight leak over here, that gets detected. So I'll let you guys know once I have it. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.